Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is June 20th, 2018, and I want to show you today how to pollinate your watermelon blossoms. Now this works also for your cantaloupe blossoms, your melon blossoms, cucumbers, your squash. Now this here is a male flower. And you can tell that because there is no fruit on the end of this one. So I have my paintbrush here, and I'm getting the pollen on the paintbrush. And, whoops, over here, hold on a minute, is the female flower. And I'm going right in the center of the female flower, and I'm putting the pollen on the female flower. Now you can tell the female flower because it has a little watermelon on the end of it. So I'm going to get some more pollen from the male flower here on the paintbrush. And I'm coming back over, and I'm just going right, hold on, here's, so I can get you to see it, right in the center here is where I'm putting the pollen. You can see the center of the watermelon blossom there. And this will help to pollinate your watermelons. Because we're down on our pollinators this year. I was actually talking to someone else yesterday, and they said where they're at, they're not seeing the pollinators either. And I know one of my subscribers commented that they're not seeing the pollinators. So I've been doing a lot of hand pollinating to try and make sure that get a harvest. You hand pollinate watermelons and your cantaloupes and your other melons. And your watermelon varieties will cross back and forth. So if you're growing an heirloom type watermelon and you're growing another watermelon, you'll want to keep them separate from each other, or you'll just want to grow one watermelon one year so you can get the seeds out of it so it doesn't cross. Now, from my understanding and from all the research that I've done, watermelons and cantaloupes will not cross. So now that's the research that I've done, and that's what I've been told. So as these continue to go and blossom and bloom, I will be out here with my paintbrushes pollinating these up. If your female flowers don't get pollinated, the watermelon or the fruit will fall off of them. So we had some earlier that had bloomed, but they didn't have any of the male flowers open, so they couldn't be pollinated. So those will fall off. And one thing that I do when the watermelons start to form, I do put them on a board. I put the watermelon fruit on a board, even when it's small, because if you let them on the ground, it can rot the watermelon and it can cause other issues. So that's something else that I do, and I'll do a video showing you how I do that. And I do that also with like the cantaloupes and stuff. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button all the time I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.